Damn. Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Hit that and pin it. Just tap it. Pin it.
Thanks for stopping by. Hope this signal is a little better.
Pin it. I got 40.
Welcome to Atlanta traffic. Nice as
Teresa
fuck.
May. Teresa May.
Teresa, how you doing? You know, I want to thank you. You're always there for me. Always. I really appreciate you. Just doing a little drive time, right along, and I'm heading up north of Atlanta, and traffic is bad. I am so happy to see that you're here. And
Thanks for asking.
you always comment on my videos, and I want to tell you I appreciate you so much. Thank you. You are a day one subscriber. I really appreciate you. And it's people like you that keeps me going. What country are you in? Oh, okay. You're in Jamaica right now? Or are you from Jamaica? Living overseas? Because one day we got to get you, she goes on your page. Got to check. I got to show you about appreciation. Definitely got to show you our appreciation. If you have Instagram, you could contact me on AG Born Jamaican on Instagram. remember when we was doing those contests and stuff back in the days? She's been there all the time. Every video she comes.
Her son.
She posts once the teaching takes a lot of her time. Yeah, you could contact me on AG Born Jamaican on Instagram. Yeah, Teacher B's cool.
Huh?
Teacher B's cool videos. I mean, everybody had a YouTube channel during the pandemic. It's just for them to keep up with it.
YouTube is a job.
Yeah, it's a rough job.
People think it's all easy peasy, but it's not.
But YouTubers tell people that it's like a real job. It is, because the videoing and the editing, you know.
Some people hire video editors to edit their channel.
Yeah, the big
They have to pay them.
YouTubers, they hire people to edit their
They don't even have to be the big ones. It's the ones that have 100, anywhere
Thousand.
from 100,000 to subscribers and up. They hire video editors. They don't have to have a lot.
See, that's what I'm talking about. You genuine, man. You alright. You alright. What part of Jamaica you live? I'm originally from Linston area. The outskirt of Linston. around now. That was my fault. I'm so sorry. I appreciate you guys riding along. You're going to be my co-pilot for the day. And everything's going to be great as long as you guys are with me. Again, this is the traffic that goes around Atlanta this time of day. You don't want to go into Atlanta. Traffic is nasty going into Atlanta. The next highway I'm going on is I-85 North. People are coming off of work, so we're going to be in some heavy traffic on I-85 North. If I hit a bump, you're going to see the truck. The video jumps. You guys are going to be witnessing everything I'm witnessing. Feel everything I feel. Come on, baby. Keep moving. This is what I'm going to do for you guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Traffic looks good now. I'm loving it now. By the way, I'm coming from Orlando, Jacksonville to Ellenwood, Georgia now. From Ellenwood, Georgia, we're heading to Brazelton, Georgia. Yep, that's where I'll be headed. Dropping this trailer off, and I'm heading home. Tired. The sun is out. The skies look pretty. It's very hot and humid. And I can see the little brake lights coming. See the little brake lights. That means it's a slowdown. Got a little theme song for you guys to listen to. And when I play it, I want you guys to give me put a 1 in the chat if you like it. And now I'm searching for it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. That's right. There you go. Open it up. Open it up. Come on, baby. This, in here. That's yours.
I know. I can't. Yours don't. Want me to turn it on?
Yeah. Oh boy. Come on, dumb truck. Come on. Hold up progress, buddy. See the sign? Three-quarter of a mile. Need to find north. Slide on that sneaking. Should I let him in? I'm gonna let him. I'm gonna be a nice guy. Coming over? Nope. He's going straight. Come on, people. By the way, that noise you just heard. Alright. Yeah. We gotta bring it in. This is. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. This is the theme song.
Sunrise paint the windshield glow, 18-wheel stories untold. From city lights to country lanes, he drives through joy, he drives through pain. Unsteady on the wheel all day, but when the engine rests, he finds his way. Kick off boots, touch the ground, plant them seeds, life brings sound. Truck stop coffee early morn, still thanking Jah for life and corn. From diesel smoke to fresh clean air, he plant hope everywhere. From the road to the soil, IG Barney, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil, faith in the earth, faith in the oil. Grow what you eat, live what you learn. Blessed by the land, every bridge he burn. Mirror show a tired face, but the spirit never lose the race. Subscribers watching mile by mile. Truck life mixed with farmer style. Organic crops in honest rows. No shortcuts, just lovely soul. Teaching you through the screen how to live clean, how to eat green. We say patience just like seed. Give it time and you will see. Life a harvest, life a test. Plant the good, you handle the rest. From the road to the soil, IG Barney, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world goes on. From the road to the soil, truth in the sea, truth in the soil. Staring Sanchez vibe. Yeah, yeah. Edgy bark on the highway, but it's hard day in the air. Yeah. Sunrise paint the windshield glow. 18-wheel stories untold. From city lights to country lanes, he drive through joy, he drive through pain. Unsteady on the wheel all day, but when the engine rests, he finds his way. Kick off boots, touch the ground, plant them seeds, life spring sound. Truck stop coffee early morn, still thanking God for life and corn. From diesel smoke to fresh clean air, he plant hope everywhere. From the road to the soil, IG born, yeah, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil, faith in the earth, faith in the oil. Grow what you eat, live what you learn. Blessed by the land, every bridge he burn. You show a tired face, but the spirit never lose the race. Subscribers watching mile by mile. Truck life mixed with farmer style. Organic crops in honest rows. No shortcuts, just love his soul. Teaching you through the screen how to live clean, how to eat green. He said, patience just like seed. Give it time and you will see. Life a harvest, life a test. Plant the good, you handle the rest. From the road to the side. IG born, yeah, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil, truth in the sea, truth in the soil. Steering wheel to God know. Same shine hard everywhere he goes. Some chase gold in the fast lane. Some forget where the blessing came. But he slow it down, he understand real well, grow from the land. From the road to the soil, truck stop nights, the farmers try. Feed the body, feed the soul, that stage on control. From the road to the soil, YouTube farm, yeah, you already know. If you drive all day, or plant one row, every seed you sow it grow. Yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. From the road to the soil, from the road to the soil. Just say the word to the soil. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. From the road to the soil, inspired by Sanchez vibe. Yeah, yeah. Edgy bark on the highway, but it's hard day in the air. Yeah. Sunrise paint the windshield glow. 18-wheel stories untold. From city lights to country lanes, he drive through joy, he drive through pain. Unsteady on the wheel all day, but when the engine rests, he find his way. Kick off boots, touch the ground, plant them seeds, life spring sound. Truck stop coffee early morn, still thanking God for life and corn. From diesel smoke to fresh clean air, he plant hope everywhere. From the road watching mile by mile. Truck life mixed with farmer style. Organic crops and honest roads. No shortcuts, just love is soul. Teaching you through the screen how to live clean, how to eat green. We say patience just like a seed. Give it time and you will see. Life a harvest, life a test. Plant the good, you handle the rest. From the road to the soil. IG born, yeah, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil. Truth in the seed, truth in the soil. Steering wheel to God and hope. Same strong heart everywhere he goes. Some chase gold in the fast lane. Some forget where the blessing came. But he slow it down. He understand real well. Grow from the land. From the road to the soil. Truck stop nights, the farmer's joy. Feed the body, feed the soul. That stage on control. From the road to the soil. YouTube farm, yeah, you already know. If you drive all day, or plant one row. Every seed you sow, it grow. Yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. From the road to the soil. From the road to the soil. Just say the word to the soil.
All right, how you guys like that one? That is my theme song. I think it sounds pretty good. Blessings, blessings, blessings. All right, because I'm driving right now. Gonna run. Huh? Oh, Rosie, this is my theme song, Rosie.
Ay, 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 ay.
This is the theme song for the channel.
Turn the road to the soil. Inspired
Thanks for
by
stopping by.
Sanchez vibe.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, she born on the highway. But it's hard day in the earth. Yeah. Sunrise paint the windshield.
Rosie, thank you for being a member. I really appreciate it.
From city lights to country lanes, he drive through joy, he drive through pain. Unsteady on the wheel all day, but when the engine rests, he find his way. Kick off boots, touch the ground, plant them seeds, life springs on. Truck stop coffee early morn, still thanking God for life and power. From diesel smoke to fresh clean air, he plant hope everywhere. From the road to the
I appreciate you so much. You know we gotta look out for each other, follow each other, and make sure we survive in this YouTube world.
faith in the oil. Grow what you eat, live what you learn. Blessed by the land, every bridge he burn. Mirror show a tired face, but the spirit never lose the race. Subscribers watching mile by mile. Truck life mixed with farmer style. Organic crops and honest roads. No shortcuts, just love is soul. Teaching you through the screen how to live clean, how to eat green.
This traffic,
Patience just like a seed, give it time.
this traffic is
Life a
leaving
harvest,
Atlanta.
test. Plant the good, you handle the rest.
Somebody's coming off to work.
IG born, yeah, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil. Truth in the seed, truth in the soil. Steering wheel to God and hope. Same strong heart everywhere he goes. So just go in the fast
drop at in Galveston, Georgia, and after that I'll be heading home. Have my little 1 day off, and hit back the road. Go home, go take care of my chicken, my garden, any other little things I have to do, you know? Take care of the lawn. Quite a few stuff to do when I get home. Nice. I really, really like that song. I gotta find a way to. I have a couple other songs, but this one right here, I really like. Oh, I'm trying to get out of this traffic. Oh, mercy. Now,
It's a great song.
thank you. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. I think this song was done by Red Room. Yes. Red Room. Guys, if you don't have him, you can check him out. Very nice guy.
MTC.
MTC, Wagwan, blessings. Thanks for stopping by, my brother. Oh my God. What? I just see you posting, what is it, on the community wall lately. I don't know, you're not making videos, man. What's up?
It's a blessing. I see you on the road.
Yeah, man. We have to eat, you know? So the work must go on. Bills need to pay. Gotta do what we gotta do as long as it's legal. Had a little encounter today coming from Florida. Guys, they pulled me over and they scanned everything in the truck, in the trailer, everything. I was carrying stuff for Sam's Club. They put that scanner on the truck and trailer and scan everything. And I didn't mind.
He said he's at work.
Okay, yeah, man. Respect, man. Blessings. Thanks for stopping by.
He said, food at we eat indeed, brother.
Definitely. When you gonna start chef up some of that, them food there again? People love to see them type of cooking there in a bridge. And you do it up close and in person. Come people. Thin out the traffic a little bit. Come people. Thin it out a little bit. Work with. If you guys notice how I'm keeping my distance, I'm supposed to, because these traffic people just stop. Just come to a sudden stop on you. Some of those people are looking for insurance money. Seeing blessings, man. Hey guys, if you don't have Rosie Benji or MTC, please go check them out. Princess AGTV, please check them out. Real loyal, good people. Come traffic. This is quite a few. This saying I have a 30-minute drive, but with this traffic, it's going to be like 45 minutes. To Brazelton. Hey Rosie, you know what came to my mind? Colors with this iron driver. Tell him anytime he's ready to come Atlanta, I'll teach him how to drive the big truck them.
MTC said, how are the chickens?
No, them are good enough. But they, look at them, they're slowing down on production, man. You know, after a year they start slow down, you know? But it also depends on what you give them. The protein, you know, they're going to pick back up. They're going to pick back up. I give them a lot of, I try not to give them the chemical stuff, you know. I try to give them natural grain, seeds, wheat, you know, grass, vegetables. You know, they'll buy some fruits too. Watermelon and all the things that make them go on, you know? And they do them thing. Can't pump up the chicken them with all this chemical feeding and
I was about to say that it depends on what you feed them.
yeah. But also, what's good for them is the oyster shells. And also, you see the same eggs after you finish, you know, after you strip the eggs or break an egg out, you save those and you crush them and you feed it back to them. You know, mix it in and then feed it and give it back to them. Even for your garden, you see the same eggshell. Get what they call it, the purifier. Just blend them out, blend it out, make it look like ashes. The same eggshell and just throw them in your yard. Helps a lot. Alright, you see how traffic moving good now? It's my GPS telling me another 2 to 3 miles. It's going to come to a stop again.
Said, thanks for sharing that tip.
Yeah, man, if you can order on Amazon oyster shells, if you can't get it or it costs too much, the same eggshell, blend them up, mince them, make them even turn into powder and mix it with the feed. Give it to them. I'm getting eggs, picking out the eggs, and you know, I'm ready, walking inside, and egg would drop on the ground. Well, not on, you know, the grass. Boom, and them not break because the shell them nice and firm. because it's what you feed your chicken.
Said got it.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect. You don't feel lick to music yeah, again. What the code? Open code.
What?
Code. Drop to music. I have a little theme song. Here comes the traffic again.
Drag the road to the side. Inspired by Sanchez vibe.
See? Yeah, man, blessings.
She born on the highway, but it's hard day in the earth. Sunrise paint the windshield gold. 18-wheel stories untold. From city lights to country lanes, he drive through joy, he drive through pain. Unsteady on the wheel all day, but when the engine rests, he find his way. Kick off boots, touch the ground, plant them seeds, life springs out. Truck stop coffee early morning, still thanking God for life and born from Jesus.
This is my theme song, man.
Big two.
He plant hope everywhere.
Big one, big one.
Road to the soil, IG born, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil, faith in the earth, faith in the oil. Grow what you eat, live what you learn. Blessed by the land, every bridge he burn. Mirror show a tired face, but the spirit never lose the race. Subscribers watching mile by mile. Truck life mixed with farmer style. Organic crops in honest rows. No shortcuts, just slowly slow. Teaching you through the screen how to live clean, how to eat green. He said, patience just like seed. Give it time and you will see. Life a harvest, life a test. Plant the good, you handle the rest. From the road to the soil. IG born, yeah, he work and toil. Long miles, but his roots stay strong. Planting food while the world rolls on. From the road to the soil. Truth in the seed, truth in the soil. Steering wheel to God and hope. Same strong heart everywhere he goes. Sanchez gold in the fast lane. Some forget where the blessing came.
Say how
But he's slowing it down. He understands.
Why am I hanging there now? I've taken one day at a time. But things alright. You know, you're complaining now and get no better. Yeah, you have to make it better. You can't complain, man. You can't complain. Minutes away, which should be 24 miles, but like I said, not in this traffic.
I complain.
Just have to keep it moving. Can't complain, Bridget. Cause who you gonna complain to? Who you complaining to? Yourself? You have to make things better. It's an image of you. What the other one?
Right there. No. The top one.
Which one? This one?
No, that's mine.
Yeah, I'm a good man. No, I'm a good.
Okay. Thank you.
So take it to traffic.
Here
Take it out.
with you all the way to your destination.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Really respect that, my bridge. Almost there. So I have to look on it now. We're almost there. There's something going on up ahead. It's a fire truck. Is something happening up here. That's why the traffic over here is so slow. Because if you look all the way over to my left, it's supposed to be the express lane. And it's not moving. That's not express. Oh yeah, that noise. Well, you put on this. That noise is a warning that there's a vehicle over there.
Yeah, thumbs up. It's done.
Huh?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, the new system them having at these trucks and cars. If you're making a turn, they put on your signal, you will hear a beep because them have sensors on the side of the vehicle tell you that there's a vehicle on that side. And they have it on the right side because that's the blind spot. Come. Step it up. Brakes. I don't know, especially the man them at Jamaica, like the truck driver. Why them have to have big vehicles? No. It burn more fuel, number one. It's the engine brake that makes it. But jet brake, engine brake, same thing. But why them have to have it so loud?
Rosie said, keep their like a million times.
Huh?
Rosie said, she wish she could like a million times.
You know what? You're one in a million. I swear, you're one in a million. I'm getting a little drizzle. You guys could look up ahead, you see some clouds. Oh, that's why this traffic is coming to when it starts rain. You see how it is in Georgia? You leave out of the sunlight and go right into the rain. Something like Florida. Okay, I just came from underneath that overpass and come right into the rain. On the other side of the overpass is sunshine. Oh boy, I was planning to go home and cut the lawn. Yes, I can't cut it. When the grass wet, I can't cut it. Double up the blade. 137. This is on the border. Let's go with this. This has to be a new FedEx I'm going to. But the other one is on 137. Yeah, man, it's stiff, man. Traffic stiff. Traffic hard. Shadow. But I saw go on, Papa. Shadow. I would have been there already, you know. But, you know, just have to take a little time. Because, I tell you, some of these people them drive terrible out here, man. It's like when you have this little space in between you. Some of them will come in right in between the space and just step on them brakes. Just for look for a little insurance money from an accident. But we have whole heap of cameras in here. I have 1, 2, plus this one, 3 cameras in here. GPS have a camera, the truck itself have a camera, and my phone have a camera. There's any little thing, you know, out here, truck driver get a blame. If a car run into a truck, I will blame the truck driver. I have a thing in the truck called the black box. Go into the black box. So the accident happened. We're going to the black box and go back to 9 o'clock this morning. And we watch your speed. And we say, well, we were speeding here at 9:15 and 11:30. He was speeding again, so he shouldn't be up here. You understand? They will try any they will say because he was speeding, he got here, so that's how the accident happened. And they try everything with truck drivers. They will try. And that's why all these trucks are equipped with the cameras. Let me say they're wicked with the insurance money. Every little thing you want to get truck drivers. You know, there was a car, listen to this, coming from the opposite side. The truck was in the left lane. The car get out the control, jump the barrier, and come over to the other side and hit the truck head on. And you know, say, them got caught. The people in that truck carry there, you know. The family technique. Trucking company to court and them money up. Them say the truck should not come at that spot because 2 miles on the road the truck was going 5 miles over the speed. So if it wasn't going over the speed, it would be a whole heap of something. It's 18 minutes traffic open up right now, so I'm down. Spend money. Speed limit 70 miles per hour, so I'm down. And you can just pass me. It's going 93 miles per hour. I could check their speed in my truck right in front of me. It's not that speed. Rosie, let me tell you something. That man, he could cook. He can cook. And he's a loyal subscriber. He's a loyal viewer. I also have a young lady here, Teresa Myers. She's still here. She was on my earlier one day one of my videos. Sometimes she's the first one. It's a loyal. It's hard. Turn it on. Turn this on. Can't get a good break. Yeah, I said, boy, I was saying earlier, Jamaican trip over them. I've been jailbreak sound with all this loud noise and you see, if not driving in my car, them can't do them loud noise. I want to hear so tell you something, but now that loud noise you can't hear. All you hear is the noise. Making things. Rosie, did you see that video for colors? Like the girl. That was a real nice video. And I really think Canada showed for you. Really showed and showed love. It was raining back there. You see sunshine now? Okay, let me teach you guys something. If you guys ever go anywhere on the highway, there's little, if you notice, there's little green signs with numbers on them. Those are called mile markers. So if you call somebody or an emergency vehicle, if you're an emergency, you tell them what mile marker you want. The name of the highway, mile marker. Also, if you ever get lost, say you're in a town, you don't know what town you lost. You don't really want to ask nobody you want, so you want to call the police or any emergency. There's a number on every light post. Give them that number and they will know exactly what it is. Always mile marker on the highway or the light post. All the posts has numbers. Give them that number. They will know driver, come over here. Come over here now. Come on, come too fast, man. Sure. Driver, you just sure. Man, I won't get shit, man. That's alright, Hamza. That's alright, Hamza. I'm clear up right here, so anyway, exit back up. Alright, buddy, come on, get off the road. Exit back up. Alright, sign over there says welcome to Rosington. Warren County. About 20 miles up the road, border South Carolina. Not 30 miles, about 20 miles up the road is the border of South Carolina. I'm going that far. You see him Amazon and let me over. See me I come past him. That I like okay no boy. back up. So out of respect, we take a shoulder to let the highway move, flow, keep flowing. Instead of just pushing myself out in the road. Show some respect. Yes, so I'm FedEx truck. And so the people them see say we are come off and then we are up and they know and try cut it. Just pure disrespect. Up here, so they do this all the time, guys. They got long line behind. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. That truck driver just know. I just saw him do something and then don't mess up. Follow that car right there. All that long line, them supposed they're making a right. I'm making a left. I'm trying to get this trying to follow that FedEx Okay. Yeah, I've been to it. I was thinking of the wrong place. Wrong truck stop. I've been here. I've been here. I was thinking of the QT. Sometimes you have to see a place to really remember enough. That's where I used to get off and further up the road. The light are holding me up now. This is the FedEx now. When gone, Reggie? Give me a follow. Just down the street. This light, and we go through this light. I'm gonna show you how it is. Really appreciate you guys hanging around, man. go, go. Move it. Come down, come down, come down, come on, come on. Hey, appreciate it. Somewhere down here. Come driver, come driver. Come on out, come, 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 come. Hey, 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 slow down, man. Make it on the road. Somebody comes to right. Right, praise the God. Hey, what's up, man? I'm here to drop this off. Huh?
I said, thank goodness you made it to your destination.
Thank you. All right. Nice little tight spot. That's where I have to get it in between. And I'm good to go. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. And I'm gonna drop this trailer and head on home. God bless you guys. And you guys have a beautiful day.